Today, we're tackling a big question. Should you always be using a VPN? In our increasingly connected world, online privacy and security are more critical than ever. Let's dive into when a VPN is essential for keeping your digital life safe. The simple answer for many is yes. Almost always you should use a VPN. Think about it. Every time you connect to the internet, you're potentially exposed, especially on public Wi-Fi. Whether it's a coffee shop, airport, or hotel, these networks are notorious for being unsecured, making it easy for cybercriminals to snoop on your activity. Even at home, your internet service provider, aka your ISP, can see what you're doing and sometimes even collect and sell that data. A VPN encrypts your connection, creating a secure tunnel for your data, making it unreadable to snoopers, hackers, and even your ISP. And that's exactly why many people worldwide rely on Surfshark VPN. With military-grade encryption, Surfshark ensures your online activities remain private, no matter where you are. It's incredibly easy to use, works across all your devices, and even lets you access geo-restricted content and bypass annoying censorship. Want to stream your favorite show from back home? Surfshark makes it happen seamlessly and securely. Click the link in the description below to get Surfshark award-winning VPN at a great price. Beyond daily protection, a VPN becomes particularly vital in specific scenarios. Are you doing online banking or shopping? A VPN protects your sensitive financial details. Traveling abroad, a VPN lets you change your IP location to one that might give you lower ticket prices when searching for flights. And a VPN lets you avoid targeted ads and beat government surveillance in certain regions. The bottom line, from protecting your identity on unsecure networks to ensuring your browsing history stays private, a VPN is your digital shield. So, while you don't always have to use it, the benefits of keeping your VPN on far outweigh the occasional moments you might turn it off. For peace of mind, enhanced security, and true internet freedom, make a VPN part of your daily online routine. And if you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed VPN, I highly recommend Surfshark. Check out the link in the description below to get started and take control of your online privacy today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.